Hello. Hey guys, welcome to the Crypto Drew channel. Thank you for stopping on by. And if you are joining in to get some Jasmy content and you appreciate the content that I provide, please like, share, and subscribe. But yeah, just wanted to hop on here before I'm set to leave for the evening. And talk a little bit about what's been going on in the market, talk about some macro stuff, talk about some micro stuff, things that are pertaining to Jasmy itself. And yeah, so this should be a quick video. I did want to start off by saying, do a little bit of housekeeping stuff here and basically say that, the content that I'm going to provide here is more of a mentality of a holder, okay? So not really getting too much into the high level, market analysis, not really getting into what's going on in the blockchain or what's going on with the dApps. This is going to be very surface level, okay? Chances are if you're coming across this Jasmy video, you probably are invested already. And if you're thinking about getting into Jasmy, well, you should be doing your own research anyway, okay? So I just wanted to let you know that. I seen a comment on a previous video basically saying, hey, you should be talking about dApps and what's going on chain and this and that. And yes, I know everything that's going on, but, you still have to do some research on your own, Hopefully I can just spark a little bit of motivation and a little bit of confidence in this project that we are all in, Jasmy, and hoping for it to do what we all know that it's capable of doing, okay? So wanted to get in, lay that housekeeping right there. And also one thing, we're not short of Jasmy content. If you go on YouTube, sure, you can find some other videos where people are, talking that high level alpha stuff, right? Feel free to go check those videos out. But like I said, this is going to be surface level because I'm more of a holder and I really don't care what's going on the day-to-day basis because I have strong conviction and passion on this project, okay? So that being said, overall market right now, it's at 1.38 trillion at the time of this video. Fear and greed index is about 77. All right. This has been one hell of a roller coaster week, right? Earlier this week with, it seemed like there was blood on the streets, right? Everything was going down. People were, liquidating some of their crypto holdings and putting them into what they deem as a safer investment in the stock market, right? But yeah, it's been one volatile week, and kudos for all you guys not getting flustered with all this volatility this week has provided. So, all right. So I wanted to talk about the Bitcoin spot ETFs. This is something that's going on everywhere. Everyone knows about this at this point, right? A lot of experts are saying that. Some are saying that it could be approved this month, right? But it has a high percentile to be approved in January. I think it's in the 90 plus percentile of being approved in January. So the SEC and Gary Gensler, they're not going to be able to stop this. They're not going to be able to stop this, and it's more than likely they're going to approve all of them at once, not just giving one early access over the other, right? They're just going to approve them all. Of course, that is speculation. And also, a neat phrase here is a rising tide rise all boats. A rising tide rises all boats. So basically what that means is, as Bitcoin is going to be flourishing with these events coming up, with the spot ETFs and the Bitcoin halving in the spring, this is going to create a massive buying pressure for Bitcoin and FOMOing and all that great price action that we want to see. And since they hold most of the the dominance, their dominance is what, 50 plus percentile. A lot of these altcoins are just going to follow suit, right? Jasmy Coin mirrors what Bitcoin does, so as the interest goes with the Bitcoin and the top cryptocurrencies, the Ethereums, the BNBs, the etc. You're going to see that in a lot of the top 100 and the top 200 cryptocurrency. Jasmy is a top 200 coin. So yeah. And now I want to shift gears. Blockchain analysis, blockchain analytics from Crypto Quant suggests that 155 billion could flow in after all of these spot Bitcoin ETFs are all approved in that first year. Another estimate from Alex Thorne, who's the head of research at Galaxy, sees the inflows, the spot Bitcoin ETFs reaching more than 14 billion that first year. Okay. Institutional money will be buying Bitcoin by the droves. That's that big whale money, right? And guess what? There's only 21 million Bitcoins, right? So us being the small retail investors, that's going to trigger us to want to FOMO in even more to Bitcoin before these big institutions start buying them in droves, so they can have it on hand for their customers. All right. So that's what's going on in the macro side of things. What's going on with Bitcoin absolutely will influence what's going on with all the altcoins. All right, Jasmy being one of them. And then hopefully, maybe later down the line in 2024, we see something about a spot Ethereum, right? That would be nuts for Jasmy and everything that's on a Ethereum blockchain. One last thing before I wrap up is this Q4 lockup with Jasmy. This thing is going to be huge, and of course it's speculation, right? A lot of the run up in Jasmy's price, a lot of it is anticipation for that Q4 lockup, right? So yeah, some people say, or many people say, that a lot of that anticipation is already baked into the price. But to be honest, I mean, if I thought about it, I would say, that's just a drop in the bucket compared to what we're going to see come that Q4 lockup. All right. Now, if you're new to Jasmy, you probably are like, what the hell is this Q4 lockup going on? A lot of people that are stumbled across the video probably already know what that is. But that's going to be Jasmy's. It's going to be their way of. It's going to almost be like burns. They're going to lock this up. And I don't know the amount, the quantity of it, and what the duration of that lockup is, but it will serve as a burn mechanism, right? So that right there is price action is gonna be like crazy with that. There's gonna be a lot taken out of circulation. People are gonna want to FOMO in, right? And that's just gonna push Jasmy up where we all believe it can be, right? A top 100, top 50, right? Top 25, in that realm, right? Up into the billions of dollar in market caps, right? Hopefully at 9 to 10 billion. That'd be awesome. But yeah, that's it, man. That's all I got. If you enjoy this content, I know it's quick, easy. If you like it, like, share, subscribe. Okay. Once again, if you're looking for some high level Jasmy data and analytics, definitely there are a couple channels that will go over that with you. Okay. But for now, peace. Take care.